What's up, guys? I'm Cole from Park Pros. We're here in Branson, Missouri at Silver Dollar City for the opening of the brand new Fire in the Hole. Let's check it out. Woo! All right, we're looking for the ball knobbers. Thank you.
I'm gonna take more action. Put that gun in or I'll take the shoot. Go ahead, Marshall. You could hit the broadside of the barn. Get after those ball numbers and stop that fire.
We got a bunch of remakes of the classic scenes from the original 1971 Fire in the Hole roller coaster. Red Flanders lost his pants. This ride is inside of a 5-story building, and the track spans 3 different stories. So right now we're on a steady incline up.
It's not great over here. Don't mess up a new thing, you like them bundles under the traffic. Ain't you even tired? Dang dog. Sorry. What's that?
Going through the cave.
Chicken. Watch out, you dang fool. You're gonna fall. Now look at what you done. Uh-oh, I think I'm stuck. I can't breathe.
The vehicles are also equipped with on-ride audio. Uh-oh. All right. Here we go. Whoa. There's the fake out drop.
Don't throw that switch. The train's coming that way.
All right, we caught the bad guys, but here we go. Splashdown drop. All right, guys, that was it. The new Fire in the Hole at Silver Dollar City. Come check it out.